I want to equip you with some more tools of ways that you can apply music in with your mental health. So, today we're going to talk about using deep breathing and combining that with solfege. So, if you don't know about solfege, it's in the sound of music. It's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. If you use hand signs. So, we're going to combine that in with deep breathing so that we get a double benefit. Not only is it fun and entertaining, but we also get to relax the body as a result. So let's just take a deep breath in, and then we're going to sing solfege, going down to up. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That felt good. Awesome. Now let's go down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Oh, yeah. Awesome. I want you to try that and feel free to duo with me because I think that would be pretty fun.